Hello YouTube, welcome to the channel. It's called Rusty to Trusty. It's where I get old trucks and they're basically thrown to the wayside and I make them road ready again. And right here, this is my 93 F250. This is Project Hank. It's got a 5.8 in it. 351 Windsor. I've already taken a couple things out, but I figured I'd start recording before I completely tore her apart. When I paid $1,000 for it, and somebody had already swapped a Dana 60 into the front and put the lift kit on it. So basically, everything you see is pretty much how I bought it. But it's automatic, four-wheel drive, extended cab, long bed. It's got the Sterling 10 1/4 in it, and I'm thinking about switching that over to a dually. If I can find me a dually 10 1/4 or 10 1/2. But basically, I'm just gonna fix her up, and you guys enjoy the ride.